In this video, we will show you how to replace the engine oil and filter on this Honda Accord with a 2.2 liter engine. Let's get into it. The first thing we want to do is make sure we're on a flat level surface because we will need to get underneath the vehicle. After that, we want to be up along the top of the valve cover here. We're looking for the engine oil cap. Turn this counterclockwise to remove it from the top of that valve cover. A quick inspection of the seal here, and we'll set that aside. Before you drain the engine oil, make sure you have 4 quarts of 5W30 engine oil to refill the system. It's time to start draining the engine oil. Look for the engine oil drain plug. Use a 17 millimeter. We're going to turn this counterclockwise to remove it. Make sure you drain that oil into a collection receptacle so you can recycle it properly. Now that we have the drain plug off of there, we just want to inspect this. You can tell that it does have a gasket. It's a good idea to go ahead and replace that gasket. Now we can prepare to install our drain plug. Make sure you have your drain plug gasket on there. We're going to torque the drain plug. Torque that to 33 foot-pounds. Along the back side of the engine, you're going to find your engine oil filter. Use a small oil filter wrench, turn this counterclockwise to remove it. Keep in mind there could be oil inside the filter, so have your collection bucket handy. Once you have the oil filter off of there, the next thing that you need to do is clean the mounting area. It's common to still have the original gasket in this area. You want to make sure it's removed, otherwise you're going to have a serious issue. We'll clean this up and give it a quick inspection. Now it's time to install our engine oil filter. When doing so, you want to take some clean motor oil on a gloved finger and make sure you coat the gasket. After that, we'll take this and put it up in place, tighten it up by hand. Once you have that bottomed out by hand, we'll just use the filter wrench. Just give it a little extra. Let's clean our mess. Let's add our engine oil. We'll be using a funnel for this. 4 quarts of 5W30 oil. Once you've added your 4 quarts of 5W30, we can continue on to removing our funnel. We'll set that aside and reinstall your engine oil cover. The next thing you need to do is hop in the passenger compartment, start up the vehicle, and turn it right back off. We'll make our way back out here and check our engine oil level. On a flat level surface, go ahead and remove your engine oil dipstick. We're going to check that oil level. Now, when you look at the engine oil dipstick, what you're looking for is these 2 small dots. You want to have your engine oil level anywhere in between those 2, generally up next to the upper one here. You never want to be below the lower one, and especially never above the upper one. That looks good. We'll reinsert that. Okay, friend, we finished our engine oil change. At this point, you just want to double check for leaks at that drain plug and the engine oil filter. After that, go ahead and close the hood and take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.